Ang pinakapangunahing dahilan bakit dapat sabihin na okay ang unprogram. Kasi nga, yung term na ginamit ni Panyero Mike, ang galing, flexibility. Kung meron ng emergency, may crisis, kapag hiningin mo pa yan at pinagdiskusyonan, tapos na yung crisis, naghihirap na yung tao, walang magastos. Ngayon, ang malaking criticism naman dyan, pwedeng maabuso. Parang gumagawa ka ng budget within a budget. And because kahit yan, may COA and everything, sometimes pag-implement ng mga ganyang bagay, mayroong effect yung abuse of discretion. And ito, legal obstacle dito yan the president, you're delegating it to the executive. It should be Congress who should identify. So parang pag too much daw na binigay sa executive, yung unprogram, baka magamit ng hindi tama. At present, walang sinasabi ang ating court. Doon sa pwede nating pag-usapan yung decision sa PhilHealth issue. Although one of the justices, I can mention kasi nandiyan naman sa newspaper, Justice Hernando, talagang sinabi niya, unconstitutional yung mga ganyan.
Yung paglipat-lipat.
Oo. At saka kasi yung right to health na violate, no? And yun na nga, pinababalik yung 60 billion. So, yun, we can discuss that kasi done decision na yan. Ang sinasabi, hindi man diretsong sinabi ng Supreme Court na unconstitutional, the tendency is towards to make it very restrictive and really full of safeguards.
Yeah.